Yeah, they down with this. Because they down with this.
We have Nelson versus Manawatu.
Whiua te pōro.
A beautiful back cut. We're on the same page, eh, Hoa? We're on the same page.
Strong finish there from number 32, Cooper Adams. Kicks to Lachlan. Ball reversal to Dove. Another kick for the kuru whiwhi toru.
Oh.
And that is good. Whakamiharo ana as Dove looks to push it in transition.
So Dove, that was part of the Wellington College team that won
Beautiful
nationals last
finish.
year.
Oh,
that he's wearing at the moment because I'm
right.
usually used to seeing him in our colours.
Yep. Yes.
A great move by him.
Little black and yellow. Oh, and one. There's Nelson do a good job at breaking that press just through the hands though as Manawatu push.
Oh,
Beautiful two-upper there from Lachlan Cray and the finish.
kick out.
Rawe, kua whai toru piroa.
Wow.
Gift. Combat Nelson's incredible scoring ability. Jones at the top. Whiua te pōro. Pōro Whiu. Beautiful floater there from Matthews.
Just the way he did that so effortlessly.
Absolutely beautiful crossover there. As you see that three-quarter press again from Manawatu. Good job from Nelson breaking it. Beautiful, simple finish.
Great take by Cooper Adams. Just missing out on that too, but great timing on that rebound.
Downhill. Beautiful finish. Gather step from number 9 in Whakatu. Elijah Inwood. Find a gap in this 3-2 zone defense.
We've got 7 seconds left on the clock.
Gift.
Oh,
That keeps
he just
on
went
giving.
round and round.
Beautiful
Yeah.
finish there from Gift. As Matthews ball in hand.
Oh my
Lachlan.
goodness.
You see that man-to-man pressure.
Oh,
And the kuru whiwhi toru is
He took
good.
all-
Off the bench, bringing a spark for his team.
exactly. Oh, beautiful pass.
dish. Delish dish from Lachlan to Gift.
Oh, crate for 3.
From deep. Beautiful kuru whiwhi toru. Jones downhill. He is so hard to stop downhill when he gets some
Beautiful.
speed.
Yep,
Hard to stop.
exactly. That momentum is already there.
Absolutely. Beautiful
Oh,
back door.
nice cut.
Yet again, unselfish basketball there. Will to Matthews, behind the back.
Oh, great defense by Gift.
Great defense.
Oh, and that's a block on the
Big
three-point line.
block.
Yeah, man.
To the corner, Gift. Kuru whiwhi
Gift,
two, Manawatu.
Gift. Well, just what they're capable of in terms
Absolutely.
of points. So here we go.
Oh, strong finish there from Jones. Tūrapa there. Karawe. Just short there. 2-on-1 situation here for Whakatu. And they make the most of that. Whakatu have possession. Looking to capitalise. Jones at the top with the handle. Beautiful
Yeah.
find.
Yep.
Great finish there.
Beautiful.
A lot of depth on both teams. Spin move. Kuru whiwhi toru.
Oh, and it's good.
Whakamiharo.
Manawatu just need to be a little bit more aware and smarter about their decisions. Oof.
Nothing but net. Jones with the ball.
Again.
Nothing but class. As you said, beautiful.
One.
Okay, to Kokiri Whakamua Jones. Crossover. Tough finish. Just
Yeah.
glides through the air. In transition. Beautiful find. Unlucky. He keeps playing though. Beautiful finish. Left in the second quarter of this men's grand final. Beautiful kick. To Crate. Strong
here we
drive
go.
from Crate.
As an for like an individual is very
Absolutely.
strong. So I'm glad that he's seeing that as an advantage.
Great read there from number 32, Cooper Adams, and gets a nice layup at the rim.
Exactly. Oh,
Strong
nice finish.
drive.
In their own pace. You know, just finding what the best option was.
Absolutely, moving the ball well. Beautiful drive. Cooper, Adam at the rim.
Manawatu are just finding some problems in terms of just covering that on-ball pick and roll.
Beautiful finish there as Jones uses that ball screen.
Oh, great switch action by Manawatu on defense.
Rawe, the kuru, Fifi, Turu. Miharo gets
nice
his own
rebound.
two-upper and finishes. Little handoff there.
Yep.
There's Jones.
Oh,
Gets
great
to the
fake.
front of the rim. 8.
Oh. Oh, beautiful
Rawe.
step. On-ball pick and roll. Crate gets over the screen.
Pull
Nice.
up, Jay. Kuru Piki is good from Jones.
Great vision.
Karawe.
Oh, and he's going to go for the 3.
Oh, Te Pukinga hooky. Off the second half of the men's grand final here in Te Whanganui Atara. Beautiful dish there from Matthews. Jones downhill. Strong drive there from number 9, Elijah Inwood. Manawatu inbound the ball. Beautiful downhill drive from Kingston.
So Kingston did a great job of recognizing that he could probably take on
Absolutely.
Jerome Sinclair. So
Beautiful read.
great recognition. Just as I say
Tino
that,
Teddy. Just short there.
great job by
Lachlan.
Lachlan.
Kei te kōkiri whakamua. Oh, Karawe. Strong move there.
Kora.
Fiua, ki te corner. Big tūrapa there.
Oh,
And
great
it's
rebound.
10 seconds left on the shot clock here.
Oh,
Beautiful spin move.
That was a
And
that was a
that's off
great
the hand.
block.
There's Matthews downhill, keeps the pivot foot, kicks out to his teammate who goes in for a simple floater off the glass. The ball kia Lachlan.
6 seconds left.
Gift. Spin move. Tough finish. Beautiful. You got the ball.
Oh,
Hello,
beautiful.
wicked.
You do your layups like that, but I probably would miss that, you know. So some of these guys are
Yeah.
more talented than I
I
am.
might be lucky to hit the backboard.
Yeah. Oh,
Nice
great
tip.
defense. Great defense.
Get the call, Kitty Whakamua dove. Looking to attack.
Oh, beautiful
with
block
the
by
block.
Joe. My goodness.
Came out of nowhere.
Oh, and it's an
And
and
one. Just under 3 minutes left here in the third. Off the glass. Tough finish.
Yeah, and see again, just a bit stagnant on the offensive end for Manawatu, and so
Aye. Yep, get some free throws. Beautiful play
great
there.
play. Probably feeling it physically after
absolutely.
these 4 days of competition.
Ah,
Oh,
shot for Akito. Just off, chasing down that rebound. Oh, Karawe.
nice.
The Kuru Topa from Nikora. Good. Here's Whakatu move the ball.
Oh, this is
Too easy.
nice finish.
Good, Manawatu. Moving the ball. Kuru Fifi Toru.
Hey,
Nikora.
Bit of he's getting some confidence,
Absolutely.
so it's great that he's contributing to the scoreboard. Oh, and a big one for Hayden Jones.
Big.
Nikora. Oh, great rebound.
Karawe. Strong block there from Jones.
Oh, Jones.
Ooh.
Lighting it up from the three.
Korido Yaya Te Poro. Oh, Karawe.
There we
Kuru
go.
Topa. Kuru Fifi Toru.
That was a great contest by Craig.
Absolutely. Nice from Akito. Great steal. And steal again.
Yep. And they get that rebound again, and they finish off.
Karawe.
Unfortunately, you just couldn't finish that one.
Good ball movement though from Manawatu.
Exactly. Nelson. Oi.
Ito, kuru, whiwhi, toru. Ito iaia te pōro. Ki te kōkiri, whakamua, a Jones. Kuru, whiwhi, toru is good for Whakatu.
Nelson just taking their time.
Yeah, beautiful dump off to Jones inside as Jones is now on, I believe it is 33 points.
Oh,
Arawe, tino angi too.
bound by Lazarus Tovo. And Gift.
That cut,
There we go. That was a nice cut.
beautiful dunk there. And keeps it in play.
14 on the shot clock.
Kuru,
Craig.
whiwhi, toru.
Yes.
From Crate.
2 minutes 30 left.
Nice pass. The Kuru Peke, beautiful shot. Oh, beautiful shot there again from number 15, Ashton Walker, as they will defend their title of being national champions. Footlocker under 18 national champions. Ka Rawe. And we can hear that applause from the crowd. And the Nelson boys are absolutely chuffed.
Down with this.
You try, but you can't see me.
'Cause I'm down with this.
Whakatu and you know.